Guitar maintenance. Right, so with this guitar I've now taken the strings off this guitar, so I'll just give you a quick overhaul of what is on this guitar. And with the PRS SE models, mostly it comes with a plastic nut, but I've custom built this one. So this is a bone nut on there. It's had new frets there coming down, so I've had new frets put on this. They're from a Gibson, which I think they're the original of a I think it was a '63 Gibson. I got them from a guy in London, but he was selling the actual pickups from the Gibson Les Paul. Now that there is an aluminium bridge there. So a few of the components on this guitar, the only thing is original is obviously the neck and body to this guitar. Pots the original on there, and the jack plug there, that's the original, and the switch. But on the whole, if you've got a mid-price guitar and just change over the components, so that's all you really need to do. In guitar, even if you've got, as I said, got a mid-price guitar, it doesn't really matter. It's only the body of the guitar, and if you've got other SE Custom or another SE PRS or even an Epiphone, they can play just as well as the Gibsons and the PRSs. The only difference is that the finishing binding is better and the woods are different on the actual PRS and the Gibsons. So yeah, that's an overall of my guitar. Brilliant.